Hello everyone, welcome to the online class. I am Nancy Malhotra and I will teach you science. So today we are going to study chapter number 10, which is light and shadow. Okay, what we are going to study in this chapter? We are going to study about the light and shadow. So let us start. First of all, what is light? लाइट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. व्हाट इज़ लाइट? लाइट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. और ये एनर्जी क्या हेल्प करती है? दिस एनर्जी हेल्प अस टू सी एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सपोज देयर इज नो लाइट, can you see any object or can you see each other? No, we see each other or we see any object when there is a light, when there is a source of light, when there is a light available. Okay, so what is light? Light is a form of energy that enable us to see. Light is a form of energy that enable us to see. Okay, there are various source of light also. Some are natural source of light and some are man-made source of light. Example, sun. You can see here. Sun कैसा source है energy का? Sun is a natural source of light. Here we can see electric bulb. Electric bulb, man-made source of light. Candle, you can see light is here, no? Flame. So it is a man-made source of light. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to study about the light only. Let us read now. What is light? Light is an invisible source of energy that creates a sensation of vision. Vision means to see. तो light क्या है? Invisible. Invisible means which we can't see. So it is an invisible source of energy that help us to see. Light from a source travels in a straight line. Light from a source travels in a straight line. Means, suppose, see, this is a sun, no? So from the sun rays are coming, which we call solar rays. Solar radiation we call, na? So this rays, they travel in a straight line. ये बल्ब है, from this bulb light is coming, तो जो यहाँ से light आएगी, that will travel in a straight line. And this property of the light to travel in a straight line is called the rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, clear? See once again, light from a source travels in a straight line. जो लाइट होती है फ्रॉम अ सोर्स, किसी भी सोर्स से जो निकलती है, ट्रैवल करती है किस में? स्ट्रेट लाइन में. दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द लाइट टू ट्रैवल इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन इज कॉल्ड द रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ द लाइट. द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द लाइट टू ट्रैवल इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन में चलने की जो प्रॉपर्टी होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ लाइट. गॉट इट? क्लियर एवरीवन? So I will tell you about this rectilinear propagation of light through this experiment. Okay, what is happening here? See, a candle is kept here, a person is here, and a pipe is here. Now what will happen? This person will try to observe this flame through this pipe. So will he be able to see it or not? Yes, he will be able to see it, because the rays from this flame, the rays which are coming from this flame, they will go straight path, they will go in straight path, है ना? And this person will be able to see this flame. Okay, now in second case, what is happening in the second case? Same experiment is going on here, but in this case the tube which we have taken, है ना, this plastic tube which we have taken, this is straight, but in this case this plastic tube is bent. Okay, now see what will happen. This person is trying to observe this flame through this bented tube. Now what will happen? We know the light has the property to travel in straight path. So the light which is coming from here, it will travel in the straight path. Like this, it will travel in the straight path. So this man who is observing from here, he will not be able to see the light. Means he will not be able to see the flame. ठीक है. सो व्हाट दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट टेल अस? दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट टेल अस दैट लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट line. Light travels in a straight line, and this property of the light to travel in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, got it everyone? Okay. Now we are going to study about the different kind of objects. Okay, so there are various type of object. some object can allow the light to pass through them, some do not allow the light to pass through them. Okay, so we are going to study about those objects. Let us read now. Different objects allow different amount to of light to pass through them. Depending on the amount of light that can be passed through the objects can be grouped as follows. So there are three types of object. First one is opaque object, second is translucent, and third is transparent object. Again, first one is opaque object, then comes the translucent object, and then transparent objects. So what are opaque objects? See, this kind of object allows the light to do not pass through them. Means this object, they do not allow the light to pass through them. Suppose tree is there. Okay, tree means wood is there. उसकी जो stem होती है, wood is there. ठीक है. If I try to pass the light through it, will it pass or not? No, it will not pass. We can't see the light on the other side. Why? Because this wood is an opaque object and it does not allow the light to pass through them. So if a person is standing behind this wood, he will not be able to see the light. Why? Because this opaque object, this wood, do not allow the light to pass through them. Okay, so we will read now. Object through which light cannot pass at all are called the opaque objects. What are opaque objects? Opaque objects are those objects which do not allow the light to pass through them. Example: book, pencil and wood. All these objects are opaque objects and they do not allow the light to pass through them. Second, translucent object. What are translucent objects? Translucent objects are those objects which allow the light to pass through them, but how? Partially. Partially means half rays they will allow to pass and rest they will not allow to pass. Okay? So what are translucent object? Object through which light can pass partially are called the translucent object. This translucent object allow the light to pass through them only partially. Means half amount of light they will allow to pass and remaining they will not allow to pass. So example of the translucent objects are butter paper, plastic sheets. See, these are butter paper. Okay? Plastic sheets, you know. So these are the example of the translucent object. Okay, now next is translucent object form faint shadows. Okay, how see, opaque object, translucent object and transparent object. Shadow we will study later what is shadow, but for now I will tell you that this opaque object, they forms a shadow and that shadow is very clear and dark. Okay, they forms a shadow and that shadow is very clear and dark. And in the case of translucent object also shadow is formed, but in this case shadow is faint. Faint means blur. Here we will get the shadow and that shadow will be very clear and dark. Shadow means परछाई, यू नो ना, परछाई जब आप चलते हैं तो आपकी परछाई पीछे दिखती है, दैट शेडो. तो वो जो शेडो होती है इन द केस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, opaque object, they are very clear and dark, but in the case of translucent object they form faint shadow, means थोड़ी blur सी shadow will be formed. Okay, now coming to the third type of object. Third type of object are transparent object. Which object? Transparent object. So what are transparent object? Transparent objects are those objects through which light can pass totally. Means suppose, see, this is a glass and water is kept here. Okay, so they allow the light to pass through them totally. You can see the light on the other side also. If a person is standing on the other side and from here I am giving the source of the light, source of light is kept here and on the other side person is there, so he will able to see that light from that other side also. Means transparent object allow the light to pass through them totally. So let's read now. object through which light can pass totally are called the transparent objects. What are transparent objects? Transparent objects are those objects which allow the light to pass through them totally. Okay. Transparent objects do not form shadows. शेडो नहीं बनाते. इन ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट वी हैव सीन दे फॉर्म अ शेडो. और शेडो कैसी होती है? वेरी डार्क एंड वेरी क्लियर. ठीक है, क्लियर शेडो इज फॉर्म. इन द केस ऑफ ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट शेडो इज फॉर्म बट दैट शेडो इज फेंट. एंड इन द ट्रांसपेरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट शेडोज आर नॉट फॉर्म. ओके, गॉट इट? सो दिस आर द 3 टाइप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट वी हैव स्टडीड. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे क्लास. Rest of the chapter we will do in next class. Okay, so your homework is go through this all the concepts which I have taught you again. Okay, so thank you all of you.